loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this makeup tutorial. Hey my loves, so today we're doing a makeup tutorial, of course, and so as y'all see, I already did one eye. Let me zoom in. I already did one eye off camera, so yeah, today we're doing this eye, and then we're gonna do the whole face, of course. So before I do this other eye and I show y'all, make sure you subscribe. Go ahead, girl, I'll wait. Make sure you keep on watching. So today's palette we're going to use today is the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette, and this is how the inside of it looks. So my first shade that I'm using is this shade right here. No, it's this shade right here. This shade I have on the outer corner, the outer V. And then the second shade that I use on the lid is this one, this tan shade. And then for the shimmer, I use this shade right here. So I'm showing you guys what I used beforehand, that way I don't have to keep picking up the palette. But if y'all like me picking up the palette during the, the tutorial, let me know down in the comments, and then I'll keep doing it that way. stuff. So if y'all like this look, make sure y'all stay tuned for more, and I'll make sure to leave the lippy, because y'all didn't see that. I'll make sure to leave that down below. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.